Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing the 2019 LookFantastic Advent Calendar. It's filled with 25 premium beauty products including skincare, hair care, and makeup. It costs $99 and contains over $514 worth of products, so let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. The first item is the Morphe 9A palette, which is $12. The second item is the Living Proof 5-in-1 styling treatment, which is $5. The third item is the Caudalie Vino Pure Clear Skin Purifying Toner, which is $14. The fourth item includes the Luxie 121 and 141 brushes, which are worth $10. The fifth item is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, which is $50. The sixth item is the Illamasqua Nude Collection Liner in the shade Raw, which is $16. The seventh item is from Rituals, which is the Ritual of Ayurveda Dry Oil, which is $11. The eighth item is the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer, which is $12. The ninth item is the Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel, which is $23. The 10th item is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, which are $14. The 11th day includes the Avant Skincare Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment, which is $85. The 12th day is the Prey Throat and Décolletage Cream, which is $9. The 13th day was missing a card, so I just pulled it out the tray. It's the Lord & Berry Black Eyeliner, which is $10. The 14th day includes the Mellow Cosmetics Liquid Lip Paint in Tehran, and it's worth $11. The 15th item is the Rodial Dragon's Blood Lip Mask, which is $6. The 16th item is the Molten Brown Fiery Pink Pepper Bath and Shower Gel, which is $10. The 17th item is the Emma Hardy Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream, which is worth around $19. The 18th item is the Neal's Yard Remedies Wild Rose Hand Cream, which is $10. The item in the 19th tray is the BioEffect EGF Serum, which is $42. The 20th day includes the Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara, which is $10. The 21st day is the Delilah Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil, which is $22. The 22nd item is the Bubble Tea Limited Edition Bath Bomb, which is $6. The 23rd day is the Filorga Mezzo Mask, which is $12. The 24th item in the box is the Sleek Makeup Solstice Highlighting Palette, which is $10. And that finally leaves us with the 25th item, which is the Omorovicza Queen of Hungary Mist, which is worth $15. Now that I've unboxed everything, I'm going to be trying out some of these skincare products and creating a look with all of the makeup products. First, I'm cleansing with the Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel, which restores radiance and leaves skin soft and supple. It's also suitable for all skin types. Next, I'm using the Facial Radiance Pads by First Aid Beauty, which are supposed to give the complexion a natural, healthy glow and are infused with lactic and glycolic acid. Next, I'm toning with the Caudalie Vino Pure Clear Skin Purifying Toner, which is a clarifying toner for combination skin. The final skincare product I'm using is the Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, which is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of fine lines and increase moisture levels in the skin. Now moving on to makeup, I'm just applying the Laura Geller Hydrating Spackle Primer, and then I'm using the Delilah Cosmetics Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Sable to fill in my brows. This pencil is a brow definer shape with a creamy formula that makes it easy to create natural hair-like strokes and fill in sparse gaps. Next, I'm just cleaning up the lower edge of my brow with the Plouise base in 0.5, applying some Sigma Tint and Tame Clear Brow Gel, and then applying the Plouise base all over my eyelid to act as my primer. After applying some tape to the outer corner of my eye, I'm picking up this shade called Aware from the Morphe 9A palette with the Luxie 121 brush and applying this to my crease. I'm now picking up the shade called Myself from the Morphe palette and applying this right above where we applied the previous shade to blend it out. Next, I'm using the shade called Brews to add some depth into my outer V and crease. Once I've cut my crease with the Plouise base, I'm picking up this shade called Surprise and packing it onto the area that we cut out. Now I'm picking up that same dark brown shade called Brews and applying that back into the outer V to blend that shimmery shade into that area, and then I'm removing the tape and starting on my face makeup. For foundation, I'm using the Nars Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc and blending this in with a Real Technique sponge. I'm then applying the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in C1 and setting my face with the Hourglass Veil powder. Next, I'm applying contour, bronzer, and blush before moving on to more products from the Advent calendar. For contour, I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. For bronzer, I'm using the Buxom Hot Escapes Bronzer in Maldives, and for blush, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in the shade Party. Now I'm spritzing on some of the Omorovicza Queen of Hungary Mist. It's infused with a nourishing blend of rose, sage, and orange blossom waters and can be used as a post-cleanse toner or as a revitalizing daily spritz. After applying eyeshadow to my lower lash line, I'm using the Sleek Makeup Solstice Highlighting Palette to highlight my inner corner and brow bone using the Luxie 141 brush and add a strobe-like radiance to my face. Now I'm applying the Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara, which helps to nourish and volumize lashes. It's housed in a zero-waste tube, promising no smudging, crumbling, or flaking. Next, I'm applying the Lord & Berry Eye Pencil in black to my upper and lower waterlines. This creamy kohl formula is great for buffing out the lower waterline to create a smoky diffused effect. Finally, for lips, I'm first lining my lips with the Illamasqua Nude Collection Lip Liner in Raw, and then I'm applying the Mellow Cosmetics Liquid Lip Paint in Tehran, which is one of my favorite brands for liquid lipsticks. And that completes this look using many of the products from the 2019 LookFantastic Advent Calendar. It was so much fun to unbox and discover new products that I probably wouldn't have tried otherwise. With that being said, I definitely think this box is worth it, and I've linked it down in the description box below for anyone interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!